Success isn't a distant destination. It's the journey you're on right now. It's the state of flow, where you're so deeply immersed in your purpose that nothing else matters. It's where time stands still, and all that exists is the task at hand. This is your power. This is your flow. But how do you find it? It starts with one simple truth: purpose. Purpose is the fuel that drives you forward when everything else tries to pull you back. It's the fire that burns within, guiding you through the toughest challenges. When you discover your why, you unlock the key to your flow. It's your reason for getting up each morning, the force that pushes you through doubt and fear. When you're connected to your purpose, the noise of the world fades away. Critics will shout from the sidelines, but they don't understand the passion that drives you. Their words are powerless because you're focused, locked in, and in your zone. You're not here to please everyone. You're here to follow your path, to chase your dreams, to live your truth. Following your passion isn't just about doing what you love. It's about bringing your unique gifts to the world. It's about adding value, making a difference, leaving a mark that only you can make. When you're in your flow, you're not just working, you're creating, building, and transforming. You're contributing to something bigger than yourself. To truly unleash your flow, you need three things: challenge, clarity, and feedback. Embrace challenges that stretch your abilities, that push you beyond your comfort zone. Set clear, powerful goals that give you direction and purpose. And seek feedback. Look for it in your results, from mentors, from those you trust, so you can adjust, improve, and keep moving forward. In your flow, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're fully present, fully engaged, and fully alive. Success isn't just about the end goal. It's about the process, the journey, the flow. So find your purpose. Embrace your passion. Silence the critics. Challenge yourself daily. Set your goals and pursue them relentlessly. Because when you're in your flow, you're not just on the path to success. You're living it, breathing it, becoming it. Your flow, your purpose, goes beyond simply pursuing what you love. It's about aligning that passion with your ability to bring value to the world, finding your mission, and making a meaningful impact. This is your true calling. When you discover the sweet spot where your passion, purpose, and profession intersect, you tap into a deep reservoir of motivation and energy. You wake up each day not just to go through the motions, but to live with intent, driven by a purpose that pushes you to make a unique and valuable contribution. It's the driving force that propels you toward greatness, connecting your deepest joy with the value you bring to the world. Now that you've found your purpose, it's time to turn those dreams into reality. Don't just dream, act. Break down your goals into actionable steps and start moving forward today. Every small action you take is a brick in the foundation of your success. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Face your fears, push through the discomfort, and take control of your destiny. Your dreams are within reach, but they require relentless pursuit, unwavering commitment, and the courage to take that first step. The journey won't be easy, but nothing worth achieving ever is. Start now, embrace the challenge, and watch as your dreams transform into the reality you've always imagined. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for the stars to align. The time is now. The power is within you. Unleash your flow and let the world see what you're truly capable of.